Hey everyone, Gil or Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about coats. Now some of you are going to go say, wait a minute, it's springtime, winter's over, why do I need coats? Well, clearance time. Coats are on sale. You may want to go out and pick up a new coat for next year. And kids are growing up, getting bigger, they're going to need new coats. So now's a good time to go ahead get out there and buy some new coats, or even hit the Goodwill or the other thrift stores and pick up a coat for the kids that they can grow into. All right, so stay happy. Don't let life get you down. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, like coats. It's on sale. And learn a new skill every month. Also, plant an indoor garden. Even though your outside garden's going, try planting one indoors, because an indoor garden gives you extra oxygen in the air and cleans the carbon monoxide out and gives you fresh food.